So I did a video yesterday about complaining, about stop complaining, right? And then the Holy Spirit, after doing that video and after posting it, yeah. And then the Holy Spirit was like, Ndiphiwa, I need you to explain this further. I I need you to explain. Okay, it's much easier to complain about the situation and not look at the positive side of it. Let's just look at it. Maybe you're complaining about your husband, you're complaining about your kids, you're complaining about your job. It's much easier to complain about those things, but there are people out there. There are people out there who are fasting and praying for your husband. So there are people out there who are praying to God to have children, who are who are having in vitros and they are adopting because they cannot have children of their own. So I would like you to look at the positive side and say, you know what, God has blessed me with this. God has blessed me with a job. God has blessed me with a husband. And look at the positive side. And another thing, positivity will have you focusing on the bad things, on the things that you don't want about your husband, on the things that you don't want about your job, on the things you don't want about your family, and not and not what and not giving you the actual view, the importance of the people you have, or the importance of the job that you have. That know what, this job really puts food on the table. There are people out there who are struggling for jobs, who are standing in lines, long lines, 3-hour lines, just to look for a job. So it will have you focusing on the legal things, and it will have you over and over again that you focus only on that thing instead of fixing it. That's another point. You never fix something if you continuously complain about it. It's better for you when you are about to hit, you know what, I'm complaining about this, I will complain about this I don't like. Rather face it right there and there, because there is a chance, if you complain about, there's a chance you will be complaining about it next time. Fixing it head on, like tell your husband, this is what I don't like and what. At your job, it's maybe a colleague, it's maybe a thing that your bosses do that you don't like.